Okay, now that you've finished your spaceship, you might want to add a material to it. So you can press the material button and drag the material onto your spaceship. You can come in here if you would like to and look for like a chrome color. There's lots of choices that you guys might want to find that you think might want to work. Maybe you want to go to the material library and maybe look for something that looks like a chrome. There is a chrome in here. There's some metals in here. If you come down here, like here's a metal. You might want to play around and just see the different looks that you have with your plane or your aircraft. Remember, you can hit F9 to see what it looks like. If you get this, which happens, it just means that it didn't know how to put the material on the box. So just, you can hit continue. But what you need to do is you need to come over here with the airplane selected, which is the box 1, and you need to apply a UVW modifier. So just click on the modifier list right here and look for UVW. It's just like it's instructions for wrapping the material around the plane. So there you go, see UVW map, and then you can hit F9 again and see what your plane looks like, okay? You'll notice that there's lots of different ways to put on material, so you experiment with that. What you can also do now is you can also try to make a movie where your airplane will fly across the scene. You can expand out, get your move tool and move your plane way back here. You know, you can turn on your animate button, go to frame 100, have your plane move across the scene or whatever you want it to do, and then hit a key again and play that. You can also have your plane take off. You can have it do it loops. You can bring in your tank onto your scene with your airplane. You can bring your other spaceship. You can start like a little scene that you would make in a video game or something. What you do to add other objects to your scene is you'll go File, Merge, and then you'll go to the file that has your objects. Like right now I don't have any, so I'd have to go to one of your files. But let's say I had this one, and then I would select what I wanted to bring in, and then I would merge them, okay? And then of course you'd have to move them around and create the scene. So play with that for a while and see how that works. All right, and this is the end of the medium-sized spaceship tutorial.